Yo, what is going on, guys? Drake here with the Sim Unlock Phone YouTube channel, and in today's video we have a tutorial for you guys for how to download apps on your iPhone and still make an Apple ID without a credit card. Now, if you are trying to make an Apple ID, sometimes you might run into the error that you need to enter in payment information. We're going to show you guys how to get right past that. So to begin, just go to your App Store, find a free app that you want to download. For example, let's download Pac-Man. We love Pac-Man, and now we're going to create a new Apple ID. Now we're just going to fill out the information, and then I will cut to when I'm done with that. And alright guys, we're back. Once you fill out all the information for your Apple ID, go ahead, click next. Now all we got to want to do when the payment method screen comes up is simply press none right here, and all you gotta do is click next and fill in your billing address. So we're going to fill this out real quick. Now once you fill that information out, click next. Boom, it'll make sure that has your phone number, and click next. That is all you have to do, and all of a sudden you have made a Apple ID with your phone without using a credit card. If we did help you guys with this tutorial, be sure to leave us a thumbs up. Let us know if you were able to get it to work for your device. Thanks for watching. Signing off, this is Drake with the Sim Unlock Phone official YouTube channel. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.